नमस्कार, स्टेनो कनेक्टेड या आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती आपणा सर्वांचं खूप खूप स्वागत आहे। मराठीचे आपण खूप प्रॅक्टिस केलेली आहे। यापूर्वी इंग्लिशचे जे व्हिडिओ आपण अपलोड केलेले आहेत चॅनलवरती, योजना आहेत, त्याचबरोबर जीसीसीचे काही पॅसेजेस आहेत त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करून घ्या आणि मराठीची प्रॅक्टिस करून घ्या। कारण जेवढे पॅसेजेस तुमच्या हाताखालून जातील, जेवढे वर्ड्स हाताखालून जातील, तेवढे तुमची प्रॅक्टिस खूप छान प्रकारे होईल। कन्सिस्टन्सी राहिली तर तुम्हाला ॲक्युरेसीमध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाही। ओके, आज आपण इंग्लिशचे डिक्टेशन घेऊया। त्यामध्ये आज स्टार्ट जीसीसीच्या पॅसेजपासून करूयात, त्यानंतर आपण लीगल पॅसेजेस घेऊयात। ठीक आहे, चला तयार रहा।
स्टार्ट। Dear sir, we are glad to know from your advertisement in the daily newspaper of yesterday that you are in search of reliable firm in this city, having a really good connection with leading concern in important towns in North India, willing to act as agent for the goods you are dealing in, such as toys, soaps, and a variety of other novelties. In this connection, we shall be pleased to offer our services. You may possibly know that we do a large business in all of your class of goods, and as we have been in this field for the past 25 years, we have many old and valuable customers everywhere in this part of the country, and we are quite confident we could do a large business for you. We have large showrooms situated in a good central position, fitted with electric lights, and we assure you that your goods would be displayed in a pleasing and effective manner. At present, we have 6 salesmen, each of whom would push the sale of your articles. We feel honestly that visit to our premises will convince you of the benefits you may derive by our services from the sale of your products. The terms on which we would be willing to take the agency are commission of 10% on all orders, pockets, expenses of our salesmen to visit different centers, rent of building, and advertisement charges. Other aspects to which we wish to draw your particular attention are supplies against orders should be regular, prompt, and packing should perfect to ensure that goods are received in good condition to prevent unnecessary future correspondence. We are in a position to give excellent bank references. We shall be glad to hear from you if our offer meets your requirements in any way, and if you will be willing to enter into an agreement with us. Yours faithfully. Stop.
कसं झालं इंग्लिशचं डिक्टेशन? छान, मस्त ना? आता छान असं ट्रान्सलेशन करून स्टोअर करून ठेवा। नेक्स्ट इंग्लिशचे डिक्टेशन घेऊयात आणि लगेच कंटिन्यू करूयात विदाऊट ब्रेक। चालेल ना? हो ना? ओके, तुम्ही नेहमी तयारच आहात, मला माहीत आहे ना, कारण तुम्ही खूप हुशार मुलं आहेत, त्याच्यामुळं डिक्टेशन घ्यायला ऑलवेज रेडी। चला तर मग स्टार्ट करू नेक्स्ट पॅसेज।
It is my privilege to be with you this morning. I wanted to be here with you for a longer time, but unfortunately I cannot remain here for long because of other work. I did not know that 4 sessions will be held today, and I have to discharge certain formalities everywhere. I have not come here just to take part in this formality, but to draw your attention to the responsibility that you owe to the nation and to society. All of us are important persons dealing with the most vital sector of our society. The biggest asset of our nation is manpower, not treasury, not industry, not wealth. It is manpower that matters in a country like India. The people of this country can do wonders provided we are able to motivate them. This power cannot come till we give them confidence and trust about their future. The masses should have the confidence that whatever they generate in the form of wealth will not be used for the pleasure of a chosen few, but for building a new future for their children. Whatever wealth we have is all created not because of the hard work of the scientist or because of the managing capacity of the industrialized, but because of the hard work of the masses in fields and factories. This is the only way to create wealth. Nature has bestowed something upon us, and whenever human beings makes us of it, wealth is created for the benefit of mankind. But it is unfortunate that all over the world, and more so in our society, those who create wealth are not allowed to get its benefits. The masses, the poorer sections of society, remain exploited and are oppressed even today. This has been the cause of social tensions in many areas. Poverty itself is a curse, but poverty also becomes an irritating factor because people can tolerate absolute poverty but not relative poverty. Those who work hard do not get the basic minimum needs of their life, and those who do not work get all the benefits of society. Hence, there are growing social tensions in society. If we see the tribal area of India, there is unrest. We have to decide whether we are going to change our attitude in dealing with those problems while understanding and trying to change our policy according to the urges and aspirations. Stop.
कसं वाटलं इंग्लिशचे 2 लागोपाठ पॅसेजेस? छान वाटले ना? इजीच आहेत, डिफिकल्ट नाही आहे त्यामध्ये काय. ट्रान्सलेशन करा आणि स्टोअर करून ठेवा. कमेंट्स करून सांगा कसं वाटलं. हा ठीक आहे का? घ्यायचं मराठी अजून एक? करू कंटिन्यू? नको ना, हँग झालं डोकं. इंग्लिश म्हटलं की डोकं जडजड येतं ना. का झाली सवय मराठीसारखी इंग्लिशची? पाहते नेक्स्ट टाईमला मॅरेथॉन घेते डिक्टेशनचं. चालेल ना? नॉन स्टॉप मॅरेथॉन. किती तासांचं घ्यायचं? कमेंट्स करून नक्की सांगा मला. घेऊया आपण मॅरेथॉन, लगातार डिक्टेशन. चालेल का? मॅडम, आम्हाला तर सर्व गोष्टी चालतात. आम्ही घेऊया मॅरेथॉन, काय महामॅरेथॉन घेऊया. हा ना? ठीक आहे, चालेल. थांबूयात आपण इथे.